Hello everyone and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate, okay? Google Translate to actually make passive income for yourself, okay? This specific video is well researched, as I always say on this channel. The videos we upload on this channel are well researched and then proven methods how people actually make money, and then myself, okay, make similar money, okay. So all these videos we upload on this channel is well researched and then proven, so you don't have to worry about being scammed or anything of that sort, okay. So in case you want other videos on how to make money, you can just watch our videos right here, okay. These are a lot of videos and then how to create verified Payoneer and what PayPal accounts. You can just watch that and go straight to the point. Now, before I begin this video, in case you want other revenues, okay, or other avenues you can make passive income, I will leave a link in the video description. It's with the title Make 20K per month. You can just click on that. It's a free PDF. You can just go through and then implement these techniques or these approaches I personally use, and then most people actually use it to get results, okay. So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So this is a very simple approach. In case you don't know what Google Translate is a form of an affiliated Google site where you can translate any language into what English, okay. So irrespective of the language, it could be Chinese, Spanish, Italian, German, okay. So we are going to utilize the benefit of Google Translate to what make money online. Now this is a step-by-step process, so make sure to stick with me till the end of the video so that you don't miss anything, okay, any single step. Okay, so let's proceed. So first thing first, you need to visit a site we call what CPA Grip. I'll leave a link to that website, okay, in the video description and pin comment so that you can just go straight up and then you sign up and then you just proceed with this step-by-step process, okay. So once you come to CPA Grip, it's a platform where people actually put up tax, people complete the tax, and then me personally, I know people who have actually made passive income from this specific website, okay. So you don't have or you have nothing to worry about, okay. So from here you can notice that people actually make enough money over here just per day. See how much people are actually making, okay. It's crazy. That's why I always say that everything we share on this platform or on this channel is well researched and then proven methods, okay. So first things first, all you have to do is just come to what offer tools, okay. For offer tools, you just click on what my office, okay. Click on my office, it will load up. Once it loads up, you choose a specific country. Now this is a trick you need to know, okay. This website takes into consideration platforms or regions or countries where they are less popular, okay, and then they put up enough money over there, okay. They put in enough money. So when it comes to this word Germany, right, you can notice that the payout is very small, okay. And then this for this using the Google Translate to make money on this website, we need countries where the payouts are what really high, okay. The payout should be really high. That's what we will be focusing on. So let's go in for countries like Spain. Okay, let's take a look at Spain. So when you look at Spain, you'll notice that some of these payouts are really high, very high. Okay? Their payouts are really high. You can notice that we have what $10.27, $5, $6. Okay, so these are the countries you need to target. So when you go to when you choose maybe a country like the United States, okay, when you choose United States, you notice that the payout are really low because it's very popular. You could notice that we have 0.89, 0.89, 0.62. Okay, so choosing a country like Spain or Italy, okay, you can actually get high payout. So for this specific video, I'll be using what Spain. Okay, so let's proceed from there. Now, once you choose a country with high what payout, okay, this is the commission you get. Okay, that's the commission you get. This is where the Google Translate comes in. So when we click on this, you can notice that they are saying what all the language what is in what or all the are written in Spanish. Okay, and then you can actually use what an Android phone, okay, to actually complete this task, okay. You can use an Android phone. Now let's take a look at what this means, okay. Let's go to Google Translate and then let's paste that over here. So, okay, it's what access the latest what content now, okay. access the latest content now. So we have what this is about content. Okay, so once you get your ad, okay, listen to this, very important. Okay, this is very important. Once you get your ad, you choose what the domain, you choose any domain you want. Okay, you can choose any domain you want. So once you choose the domain, it will automatically generate your what your affiliate link. Okay, once you do this, just copy this affiliate link. Once it's copied, just leave it in what a notepad. Okay, paste it in a notepad because you'll be using it soon. Okay, now once you copy that, you can notice that there's what from the Google Translate we have what access latest content now. Okay, so it's about content now. So you can actually come here, copy this, okay, and then try to know what it's trying to say. Okay, once copy this, they are saying that enter your mobile number now to start downloading. Okay, so it's like downloading something, and then once the person downloads it, the person gets benefit from it. Okay, and then now you, the one sharing this info, you also get what benefit by getting what paid for what sharing that. Okay, so let's look at this one. So people actually have to enter their number and then they start downloading and then they benefit from it. You, on the other hand, also what benefit from it as well. Okay. Now, so this is what you do. Start copying what the link and then knowing what this ad is about. You just go straight up towards another website. But before you do that, you need to make this ugly what link look a bit clickable. Okay, people actually see long links and then they don't want to click it. So you have to make these long links clickable. Okay, so this is where what Bitly comes in. Okay, now let's look at the link we initially copied. Okay, this is the link we initially copied. So you can just come back, copy this link, and then you go to what Bitly. Okay, once you go to Bitly, you paste the link and then you shorten it. Okay, once you shorten it, you just use that in the next what website I'm about to show you in a minute. Okay, so just this link. Okay, so for the link you have an option to shorten it in a specific way. Okay, so we are dealing with what offer that allows people to enter mobile number and then they download, they benefit on the other end, and you benefit also. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing right here. Okay, let's copy that, let's paste it, let's see. So access the latest content, access the latest content. So we have what can just this is what the back end. Okay, so the back end, what the back end is trying to do is that it will give the viewer or the person who's trying to click your link an info, a little info about what your link does, even though you have what maybe a specific write-up trying to explain what the link will lead to. Okay, you can actually choose a back end or what a back half and then you add it to your link, or you can just leave it like that. Okay, so in case you want to use this is what access latest content, so we can just leave it like that or just go straight up and then shorten it. Now once this link is being shortened, this is how it will look like, this is how the link will look like. Now after this, you just copy this shortened link and paste it in your what notepad. Okay, let's paste it here. Let's look at something over here. This is what access the latest content now. Okay, now let's go back and copy this one too. So this is trying to make people enter their number as initially stated, enter their number and start downloading from here. Since we've now gotten our what products and then we are about to we also gotten our what link, the next thing is to get eyeballs. Okay, get eyeballs on your what link or your product so that people actually see and then they click. Once they click and then they complete the task, they benefit on the one end, and yourself, okay, you benefit by earning commissions. Okay, now let's see how this is done. Again, in case you are getting any value from this tutorial video, make sure to like the video, leave us a comment as to in case you don't have you don't understand a specific portion, just leave us a comment, and then you can also leave us a comment stating your specific the specific country you are watching this video right now. Okay, so in case this video is being helpful to you and you want others to also have or benefit from this video, make sure to also share the video. Okay, let's proceed now. This is how you get eyeballs on your product or your affiliate link. Okay, now there is this specific website, okay, you need to use. Now this is the specific website. Okay, for this website you paste your URL over here and then pushes it towards a huge audience. Okay, the huge audience will get the eyeballs on it. You click it, and then maybe they complete the task. Once they complete the task, you get paid on the other end. Okay, so this is where you paste your affiliate link. Okay, you notice that I've been using this website quite a lot. Okay, so we have what is your link. Just copy this link. Okay, once you copy the link, paste it right here. Okay, paste the link right here, and then you add a website. So this is where you need to pay rapt attention. Okay, once you click on add a website, this is how what your ad will look like. So this is where you make use of what the Google Translate now. So initially, notice that they are to what enter your mobile number. They are to enter their mobile number and start downloading the app. Okay, so you can copy that and use that right here. Okay, they just need some info. Okay, you just need some info for the user to actually know what this is about. Okay, you can just use this. Okay, so we have what can just paste that here. So access the latest content. So one thing about this is that you have to make it convincing as possible. Okay, once you make it convincing as possible, people actually click on it, and then they benefit on the end. You also benefit on the other end by earning commissions. Okay, once you insert the details, okay, and making it convincing enough, you just choose the language. So this is in what Spanish. Okay, so you just choose Spain. Okay, Spanish. Okay, right, and then you proceed toward the countries. Okay, you choose the countries you prefer, maybe Spanish countries. After that, you click on save. Once you click on save, your ad will be published to a wide audience. Okay, very wide audience. So let me show you something. This is how the platform will look like. Okay, once you publish your ad, and then you start earning from it. Okay, right. So in case this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notification, because I'll be uploading another video on how to actually just listen to audios and other stuff and get paid instantly. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.